Court is calling 2025 CR 008298, State versus Jonathan Godina. Can I have parties announce?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
David A. Garcia, attorney for Jonathan Godina, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Godina?
Yes, Your Honor.
Am I pronouncing that correctly?
Yes,
All right. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Godina, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are not, Your Honor. We are proceeding on the lesser included misdemeanor offense of indecent assault.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of indecent assault as a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just one moment. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do when he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do when he is.
Mr. Godina, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed under indecent assault at 365 days. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications, and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
They've been filed but not heard, Judge.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. This time, state all offensive evidence. It's Exhibit 1 of all attachments.
We've reviewed states one and all attachments, Your Honor. We have no objections.
All right. And state, have you spoken with the complainant?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
And are they aware of this?
There you are.
All right. In an agreement?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. All right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right. And I wanted to let you know, the reason why I wanted to know whether or not the complainant was in agreement with this,
Mhm.
because after reviewing the stipulations, I was inclined not to accept this agreement.
Yes, sir.
All right. The court will sentence you to 365 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine, and there should be no contact with the complainant.
Judge, we'd ask that money and time to run, correct?
I will not do that in this case. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I look at the stipulations, I go by what the stipulations, right, are presented to me. So in this case, what's in the stipulations are what you stipulated to. You're saying that those are true.
Well, Judge,
Uh,
we pled no contest.
But you pled no contest, but you all didn't.
We pled no contest to the charge of indecent assault, Judge.
No, I'm saying you pled no contest, but it says here that it says here that the defendant and the above style and number calls who being by me duly sworn acknowledge that he read or had read to him the foregoing waiver, consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. So if your intent was to do a no contest plea throughout, then you should put the no contest part there as well. So would you like to do that?
Yes.
So in the stipulations, do you have any daughters?
No, ma'am.
All right. So do you have any sisters?
Yes, Your Honor.
And obviously you have a mom.
Yes, Your Honor.
How would you feel if this were to happen to one of them? So it's at the top where you say, you see where you wrote, do not contest.
The documents are not contested.
And then right at the top, it says contest. Let me point it out to you. And just put there, not contested. All right, is there anything else? If not, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.